Hey guys, it is Greg again. I wanted to do an update here on a this chart with Illuvium, and I have to take back what I said about Illuvium. I had no idea that Illuvium was down here at $30. I guess I got to check Cointrader Pro every chart that I got. I go through TradingView and I check, and I got to bounce over to Cointrader Pro to double check these charts now, because this changes everything for Illuvium. Illuvium is fine, guys. This is clearly a impulse move to the upside from 30 all the way up. So there's no issue with Illuvium. It actually needs to have more downside. It actually needs more downside, guys. So I'm not going to go too in depth into it, but it's clearly an impulse move up, very parabolic move, if you will. That's what I would call that. I think from about $32 all the way up to over 1,600. Absolutely parabolic move. There's nothing else than that being an impulse move to the top side. It's coming down. So coming down now, if you guys can see, there's some on a three-way move right here. There's some bullish divergence. So on that three-way move, what that means is there's probably going to be a bounce somewhere along the line. I'm actually expecting a bounce on just the whole crypto market in general to start popping up somewhere along the lines. It's not going to keep going down. It will bounce at some point. And same thing with Illuvium. It's going to bounce at some point and then come down into the box. So Illuvium, I have to take back my last video, say that it's not correct with this chart data. It changes things drastically, guys. So, it actually, for a wave 1-2, Illuvium has not corrected deep enough. It needs to go at least to the 50% or about 253, and optimum will be about 151. Those are better target areas. Off of log, it's starting to look pretty decent in this area. If it moved out of here like that, this would be, let's just say if it was moving out of here like this to go into a third wave, that would be an extremely bullish coin. It wouldn't make sense at this point right now, guys. So Illuvium is fine. Don't let anybody, just wait for the coin to correct. There's no reason to trade a coin like this. I mean, I don't think so. I think there's just easier coins to trade rather than something like this. This is a coin that I will be looking at now that I have all of this data of Illuvium, and then see what this bounce does and see where it goes to. And this will be the area, my first initial area. If there's a change in the market, it'll just do another swing and go back down a little bit more. It's really not a big deal. The only place, you want to start getting concerned with Illuvium is all the way down here in that area, and it has to get all the way back down to, what is it, about $50 or $70 or something like that. So Illuvium's fine, guys. I wouldn't be too concerned with it. It's a healthy correction. And actually, it's a, in my opinion, correction on what everything that's been going on in the markets, in the crypto markets. Illuvium is actually, I would say, bullish based on this depth of the correction. So Illuvium is going to bounce again. It has this divergence. It's going to bounce again, and it's going to swing back down. And on this RSI, what you want to see here, that RSI went pretty deep. You want it to swing back down, and hopefully it has a capitulation event with Bitcoin, and it just comes down and at least comes and takes that out just a little bit, and the correction will be done. So right here, come swing up like this, guys. You want to see that go back up again and then swing back down like that, and just boom, take that out just like that. Okay, guys? That's what you want to look for, a coin like that, have a capitulation event and get the correction over with. When that will happen on this swing, don't know, or might need to do another one, swing back up and do it again. Just don't know, guys. All right. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.